Welcome, my name is Max Hackman, and today we are going to do some basic searching using the Springer eJournals collection. First thing we want to do is scroll down the page and select the database link on the right hand side of the page. This will take us to an alphabetical listing of all of our databases. We'll select the S and scroll down, and it's the last one, Springer eJournal collection. I've already logged into this database. If you guys have any trouble logging in, please contact us through chat or email and we can help you out with that right away. Once it pulls up the database here, you can see there's different options here on the front page. You can browse by discipline. They have some featured books and featured journals here on the front page, and as well as letting you know what the collection contains and how much of each kind of work that they have available. So if you feel like browsing, you're more than welcome to do that, or you can come up here to the top and do some basic searching. Let's search nursing today. Select the search link here and see what kind of results it brings back for us. All right, so we got over almost 400,000 results. There's like most of the other databases you use, they'll have limiters here on the side, so we can narrow this down to just articles. And give it a second here. Now we're down to 239,000. Once you find the article you're looking for, you can select the title here. We'll go in and find some more background information on it. Springer offers a unique ability to search in the sense of you can just like select the author's name right here, and then you can view other publications by that same author. So that's really helpful if you find an author you really enjoy. It gives you the publication date here, where it's the publication it's coming from, the journal that it was published in. You can cite it as well. That's at the bottom of the page. I don't want to jump down there just yet. You can download the entire article as PDF over here on the right hand side of the page. Different sections that are involved in this page, you can jump right to them as well, or you can just go straight to the references here and actually see what is being referenced and where you might be able to find it, that reference. So let's jump down to the citation. It'll bring us right down to the bottom of the page where the citation is available. You may download it, and there's also a direct object identifier here as well. If you have any questions, please reach out to us through chat or email, and we look forward to talking with you.